Our vision is to protect the aquatic life for a healthy ocean. The world's marinas, ports and yacht clubs are the perfect place to start helping clean our oceans. One of the goals for the Ocean Bin project is to reduce the plastics in our oceans. The team behind this project is a dedicated group of people who are working towards achieving UN's Sustainable Development Goals for a sustainable lifestyle. There are currently millions of tons of debris already in our oceans, and plastic is the most common form of debris. According to a 2010 study, an estimated 8 million metric tons of plastic waste is dumped into our oceans per year. Plastic does not break down like most natural substances, so there is no way for our oceans to get rid of it naturally. Ocean Bin can be set up around the world in ports and harbors. Its mission is to capture any debris that makes it to the port from the sea. It does this by filtering water, siphoning in all of the plastics from the top while leaving all marine life unharmed. The Ocean Bin floats on top of the water in a stationary position and slowly draws in surface water into its filtration system. It's basically a bucket with an internal mesh sleeve which goes up and down through motor. Water is sucked in from the surface and passes through a catch bag inside the Ocean Bin. Suction is done by a submersible pump which is able to filter 150 liters per second. The water is then pumped back into the marina, leaving litter and debris trapped in the catch bag and done with oil filtration. The Ocean Bin can catch an estimated 8 kilograms of floating debris per day or 3.17 tons per year, depending on weather and debris volumes.
Clean the garbage beside the dock and river banks. Catch bag can hold up to 10 kilograms garbage. Indicate when the bin is full of garbage. Oil separation from ocean water. Save the marine life from water pollution. Capture microplastics greater than 2 millimeters. Easy to installation and maintenance. To help rid the oceans of plastic and pollution, to have pollution-free oceans, to make a healthy ocean. Healthy ocean make the wealthy economy. Export would be an increase to start the educational program about marine and oceans. To create ocean bins with recycled plastic materials, to convert debris into energy, sell the plastic debris.